Argo CD isn't just a GitOps tool. It's a powerhouse for automating deployments, managing rollouts, and integrating with cloud-native workflows. But did you know that Argo CD has some insane features that can supercharge your DevOps workflow? In this video, I'm going to break down the top 5 Argo CD features you need to know, including some underrated gems that most people overlook. Let's start with a game changer, Event Hub. This is a central system in Argo CD that listens for events and triggers actions automatically. Imagine you want to roll back a deployment when an alert is triggered. Event Hub detects the failure and immediately triggers an automatic rollback without any human intervention. No more late night firefighting because of a bad deployment. Have you ever needed to schedule a deployment, backup, or database migration? That's where cron workflows come in. Cron workflows let you run Argo workflows on a schedule, just like a traditional cron job, but with native Kubernetes integration. For example, you can set up a cron workflow to run a daily security scan on your cluster at midnight, automate database backups every hour, or trigger performance tests before peak traffic hours. It's automation at its finest. Not all deployments should happen instantly. Progressive delivery in Argo CD lets you control rollouts, ensuring that new updates don't break production. So let's say you're releasing a new feature. You don't want to push it to all users at once. With canary deployments, you can release an update to just 5% of users first, then gradually scale up. Or with blue-green deployments, you can deploy a new version alongside the old one, then switch traffic only when it's stable. These techniques gives you total control over rollouts and minimize risk. Security is a huge deal, and Argo CD now allows Git-based role-based access control, or RBAC. This means your access policies are managed directly in Git, ensuring that only approved users and teams can deploy specific applications. For example, you can give read-only access to QA teams so they can monitor deployments but not make any changes. You can also restrict production deployments to senior engineers only, reducing the chances of accidental misconfigurations. And with Git-based auditing, you can track who makes changes and when, keeping your CI/CD pipeline secure and accountable. If you manage multiple Kubernetes clusters or environments, application sets will change your life. Instead of manually configuring each cluster, application sets lets you define one Argo CD app and deploy it across dozens or hundreds of clusters automatically. For example, if you need to deploy the same monitoring stack across all clusters, application sets make it effortless. You can also roll out region-specific updates to different cloud environments, or manage multi-tenant deployments with just a single YAML config. It's Kubernetes at scale made simple. These 5 features aren't just fancy add-ons. They are key tools for making your DevOps workflows faster, more secure, and fully automated. With Event Hub, you will eliminate manual intervention in critical incidents. Cron workflows help you automate scheduled tasks effortlessly. Progressive deployments ensure smooth rollout without downtime. Git-based RBAC strengthens your security, and application sets simplify managing multi-cluster environments. And the best part, they are already built into Argo CD. All you need to do is start using them. If you want to master Argo CD, Kubernetes, and GitOps automation, check out my full course, where I cover some of these features in depth and show you real-world implementation examples. I want to hear from you. Which Argo CD feature do you think is the most useful? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more DevOps and technology content.